In this clip, I will demonstrate how to maintain your handpieces with lubrication after every use. It's important as it will prolong the life of your handpiece, as the parts inside are just like a car that needs regular oil and servicing. You can follow our 10-step handpiece maintenance instructions, and they can be found on our website dentaldrillsolutions.com.au, or you can call the office on 1300 337 300 if you would like a copy emailed to you. So if you could start at the top of the list. So starting off at the top of the sheet, firstly disconnect the handpiece from the dental unit, and then with some cold water just give the handpiece a wash over, just to get rid of any debris or dirt on the handpiece. Give it a wipe over with some clean tissue, and then taking your lubrication spray can, give the can a good shake to ensure that all the components are mixed up correctly within the can, and then holding the can upright, insert the nozzle into the base of the handpiece, ensuring that the correct nozzle is being used relative to the brand of handpiece you are working on, and then covering the head of the handpiece with a piece of tissue. Give the handpiece a spray for around 2 to 3 seconds. Now that our handpiece has been correctly lubricated, it's important that we now attach the handpiece back to the chair dental unit and give it a run for about 2 to 5 seconds, just to allow any excess oil to be expelled from the handpiece. It's important we do this because if there's any oil left within the head of the handpiece when it then goes on to the sterilisation stage, the oil could then be baked onto the headgear and prevent the burr from spinning and working correctly. So we firstly attach the handpiece to our coupler, and we ensure that we always have a burr within the handpiece head so as not to do any damage to the handpiece during its running. And we give it a run for about 2 to 3 seconds. And as you can see, there's some excess oil that's appeared around the back cap area here. That's perfectly normal. Give it a wipe over with our tissue, and you're ready to place the handpiece into the autoclave and sterilise according to your manufacturer's specifications. Once sterilisation is complete, you can remove the handpiece and let it cool. It's important that we do not lubricate the handpiece while it's hot to the touch. After the handpiece has cooled, you can re-lubricate again following steps 3 to 7, and your handpiece is ready.